Welcome to this week's video. I'm Aaron Ross, and this week I am at Quartz Mt State Park in Oklahoma. Ooh, bug just flew in my face. And basically I'm going to be hiking around. This place has a couple of unique trails and mountains because normally think of Oklahoma as pretty much a flat farmland, a lot of cattle, things like that. But this little state park is a little different. There's a lake, there's a little river, and a couple of mountains. So I'm going on some hikes, taking some photos. I think the key for today is going to be dealing with the wind. We had a lot of wind, and also trying to beat the rain. We're supposed to get some rain later, and we'll see what we were able to capture, and I will share those with you here. But this is the second stop on this photography road trip that I'm on across the country. So make sure and hit subscribe so you know when the next videos come out on this road trip. We're gonna be hitting New Mexico, Arizona, and Colorado. So there's a lot of fun stuff coming your way. Adventure is Baldy Point nature area. I think this is technically Cedar Valley trailhead. So this is called Cedar Valley. We're not sure if there was a fire or not because all of these trees are completely bare. Some of them look charred, but then the ground is extremely lush. There was a little bit too much wind to be able to stop and talk to camera. You wouldn't be able to hear anything, but I want to give an update that on this hike I was using the Fuji X-T3 and mainly the 23mm f2. I did start off with the 35 today, but switch over to 23. And then we also had some deer here at the campsite, and so I was able to get the 50 to 140 out. I was able to get pretty close to them. They were not too scared of me. I just kind of inched my way towards them. Was able to get a pretty close portrait of a deer that was right here in the campground. Well, I've been rained out, so I think that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure and follow me over on Instagram. I'll be posting a lot of these photos there, but until next time, I'm gonna make some photos. I hope you do too.